we can play some rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Oh my God!
Fala pessoal, e eu tô trazendo pra vocês dessa vez Night 5 Freddy 3. E o jogo se passa numa pizzaria com ursinhos, ou seja, o Fred, Bonnie, Chica e outros.
For today's lesson, we will be continuing our training on proper suit handling techniques. When using an animatronic as a suit, please ensure that the animatronic parts are tightly compressed and fastened by the spring locks located around the inside of the suit. It may take a few moments to position your head and torso between these parts in a manner where you can move and speak. Try not to nudge or press against any of the spring locks inside the suit. Do not touch the spring locks at any time. Do not breathe on the spring locks, as moisture may loosen them and cause them to break loose. In the case that the spring locks come loose while you are wearing the suit, please try to maneuver away from populated areas before bleeding out, as to not ruin the customer experience. As always, if there is ever an emergency, please go to the designated safe room. Every location is built with one extra room that is not included in the digital map layouts programmed into the animatronics or security system. This room is hidden to customers, invisible to animatronics, and is always off camera. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's team.
Já era, Juple Square. Que foi? Tá olhando o quê? Então, pessoal, se você gostou do vídeo, compartilhe e não se inscrevam de se inscreverem no meu canal. Porque eu parei de colocar vídeo porque eu tava sem o gravador de ecrã, tá? Mas agora que eu vou voltar a gravar vídeo. Não precisam se preocupar. Falou, pessoal, até mais.